Hello, friends. Myself Poonam Pandurang Sutar, Assistant Professor at Shankarao Patil Mahavidyalaya Bhum, Department of Commerce. Today I am going to discuss with you Advanced Financial Accounting subject in that chapter Farm Accounting. So here come to the point. What is pharma accounting? Uh, Already we know pharma accounting because we all are commerce students. Because commerce students, what is pharma accounting? The term of farming is not merely agriculture activities, but it includes various agriculture activities such as horticulture, agriculture, dairy, poultry, rearing of fish, nurseries, etc. Farmer with much larger investment in farm asset like equipment, land, building, tractors, etc. And considerable recurring expenses on farming often does not pay attention to the aspect. In absence of the accounting records, the farmer has no clear picture of what is really happening to his investment. He usually takes a decision based on value estimates and his guesses. Such a farm business without farm records is just like a wall clock without hands. In small farmers, mostly being illiterate, do not maintain uh, records. Agriculture activities, medium and bigger farmers keep accounts for ascertaining the amounts receivable and payable. In India, farm accounting is in its infant stage. Farm accounting is a intent to keep a record of the farming activities. Let's see, we can see objective of the farm accounting to ascertain the correct cost of farming activities. Cost of trading results can be ascertained separately for each farming activity like crop, poultry, dairy, etc. It helps to reduce the cost of production by making necessary improvements and avoiding waste. Next is a calculate profit or loss on each farming activities, which will ensure better control of by management. Next is a farm accounting is a helpful for maintenance of proper accounting record of farming activities. With help, farmer can obtain loans from banks or other financial institution. Next is a return on capital employed, because in farming activities can be ascertained if proper farm accounts have been maintained. Next, we can see format of farm accounting. Here, expenses and incomes of poultry and dairies. Expenses of poultry, which is cost of chicken, cost of feed, cost of stock hay, cost of fuel for heating, maintenance cost of poultry sheds, salary and wages, depreciation, interest on loans, repairs, interest on own capital, electricity and power, marketing expenses, poultry food expenses. Next, income of poultry, which is sale of eggs, sale of chickens, sale of broilers, sale of poultry experiments as manures, sale of fertilizer of hens. Next, dairies expenses, which is cattle feed and hay, cost of cultivation, feed crop, salaries and wages, cost of insecticides, to keep the dairy insect free, cost of maintaining milk processing facilities. Next, incomes of dairies, which is sale of milk, raw, turned, pasteurized and flavored, sale of milk products like cream, butter, ghee, cheese, ice cream, sale of claves, sale of dry cattle, sale of slaughtered cattle, service charge recovered. It is the format of farm accounting. Thank you.